Hi, my name's Justice, and this week's Minute Moving Hack is all about how you can make your move more sustainable. With many different eco-friendly options, it's easy to go green. So here are 3 helpful tips to help make your move more sustainable. First, we have our ready-to-go boxes. These plastic reusable moving boxes make moving faster and unpacking easier by allowing you to move at your own pace. They can be rented, kept as long as you like, and returned once your move is completed. If you're not sure how many moving boxes you need for your move, it's always better to buy more than less. With our 100% buyback guarantee, if you have your original receipt, you can return any unused moving boxes for a full refund. Finally, we have a couple sustainable moving supply options. Our biodegradable packing peanuts are great for protecting your more fragile items. And they're also made with corn and potato starch, which makes them a great eco-friendly alternative to styrofoam. And they're also non-toxic, so you don't have to worry about keeping them away from your kids or pets. And another sustainable supply option we offer are furniture pads. They're made with recycled denim, and they're great for protecting your furniture and other large items. Now that you've learned a few new ways to make your move greener, share your newfound information with others that you know that are moving soon. As always, don't forget to check out our blog at movinginsider.com. And don't forget to share your moving adventures with us using hashtag #UHaulFamous. And we'll see you next time on another Minute Moving Hacks.